Welcome back to Decor Designs, your premier destination for sophisticated outdoor enhancements. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever dreamt of a garden that looks like it's been plucked straight from the pages of a storybook? A place overflowing with a wild, enchanting mix of blossoms, a sanctuary of color and tranquility? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of country flower gardens. We'll explore what makes them so special, why you should consider creating one, and how to decorate your own slice of paradise. Plus, I'll be sharing 10 of the best country flower garden ideas to inspire your next project. So, what exactly is a country flower garden? It's more than just a style. It's a feeling. A country flower garden, often also called a cottage garden, is a beautiful and informal style of gardening that emphasizes lush, dense planting and a mix of flowers, herbs, and vegetables. Unlike formal gardens with their neat, symmetrical lines and manicured hedges, a country garden embraces a more natural, romantic look. It's a place where plants are allowed to spill over pathways, where different varieties happily mingle together, and where the overall feel is one of abundance and lived-in charm. It evokes a sense of nostalgia, a connection to nature, and an effortless beauty that feels both comforting and magical. Beyond just looking stunning, there are so many benefits to having a country flower garden. First and foremost, they are a haven for wildlife. The rich diversity of plants attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, birds, and other beneficial insects, creating a vibrant, living ecosystem right in your backyard. This biodiversity not only helps the environment, but also makes your garden healthier and more resilient. Secondly, a country garden is a feast for the senses. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of roses, lavender, and honeysuckle. The colors are a joyous explosion of pinks, purples, yellows, and whites. The sounds of buzzing bees and chirping birds create a natural symphony. It's a space that provides a constant source of joy and relaxation. Finally, this style of gardening is incredibly forgiving. The informal nature means you don't have to be a perfectionist. A little bit of messiness is part of the charm. It's a style that celebrates growth and change, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners who want a space that feels personal and free-spirited. Decorating a country flower garden is all about enhancing its rustic and romantic appeal. Think about adding elements that feel natural and timeless. A winding gravel or stone pathway is perfect for creating that charming, meandering feel. Arbors and pergolas covered in climbing roses or wisteria add a vertical dimension and create a sense of mystery and structure. You can also incorporate vintage or rustic elements like old watering cans, wooden benches, or a distressed bird bath. These items add character and a sense of history. Don't be afraid to use pots and containers to create layers of flowers at different heights, especially near entrances or seating areas. And speaking of seating, a cozy bench or a small bistro table nestled among the blooms is essential for enjoying your garden. The key is to make it feel like a cherished space, well-loved and lived in. When it comes to choosing plants, the goal is to create a tapestry of color, texture, and fragrance. Here are some of the best plants for a country flower garden. First, roses. From rambling climbers to classic bush roses, these are the heart of a country garden. Second, peonies. With their large, lush, and fragrant blooms, peonies add a touch of old-world glamour. Third, hollyhocks. Their towering spires bring vertical interest and a quintessential cottage feel. Fourth, delphiniums. These tall, stately flowers in shades of blue, purple, and white are perfect for the back of borders. Fifth, foxgloves. Another vertical stunner. They add a magical, whimsical quality. Sixth, lavender. Not only does it have a beautiful color, but its fragrance is incredibly calming and it attracts bees. Seventh, geraniums or cranesbill. These low-growing perennials are great for filling in spaces and spilling over paths. Eighth, lupins. Their colorful conical flowers add a unique shape and vibrant color. Ninth, cosmos. These airy, delicate flowers are perfect for a soft, informal look. 10th, hydrangeas. With their large, impressive flower heads, they can fill a space beautifully and add a sense of abundance. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best country flower garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Garden of Serenity, the lush peony and hydrangea retreat. This garden perfectly captures the essence of a serene country retreat. The vibrant pink peonies in the foreground create a stunning pop of color, while the backdrop of lush greenery and a charming vine-covered pergola offers a private, intimate seating area. The expansive, well-maintained lawn provides a sense of open space, and the white Adirondack chairs invite you to sit and soak in the beauty, making this a perfect example of a garden designed for relaxation and peaceful moments. 2. The classic perennial paradise. A classic cottage garden style, this design overflows with a delightful mix of perennials. A striking small tree with red foliage acts as a central focal point, while a medley of flowers including daisies, foxgloves, and bellflowers create a beautiful layered border. The natural, free-flowing arrangement of plants against the rustic stone house gives this garden an authentic, timeless charm, looking as if it has been lovingly cultivated for generations. 3. The elegant rose walk. This photo showcases the romantic allure of a rose garden. A stunning archway covered in climbing roses creates a breathtaking entrance, drawing your eye down the elegant pathway. The neatly clipped hedges provide a beautiful contrast to the rambling, soft-hued rose bushes, demonstrating how a touch of formal structure can perfectly complement the wild beauty of flowers, leading to a charming house in the distance. 4. The quintessential Cotswold cottage garden. A quintessential example of an English cottage garden. This scene is a masterclass in informal planting. The winding gravel path leads to a quaint blue door, framed by an abundance of overflowing flower beds. A riot of colors and textures from foxgloves, lupins, and potted plants spills onto the path, creating a sense of natural spontaneity and warmth that makes this garden feel incredibly welcoming and cozy. 5. The manicured French country garden. This design beautifully blends country charm with formal elegance, reminiscent of a French estate. The meticulously manicured boxwood balls and hedges provide a clean structure, contrasting with the soft, flowing perennial beds. The central stone fountain and symmetrical layout create a sense of order and tranquility, proving that a country garden can be both lush and perfectly organized, offering a sophisticated take on the classic style. 6. The cozy lawn and pergola retreat. A slightly different angle of the same charming garden. This image highlights additional details like the whimsical birdhouse. It emphasizes how strategic decor can add to the country aesthetic. The abundant peonies and vibrant purple flowers frame the lush lawn, leading the eye to the inviting pergola. This view reinforces the idea of a garden as a functional living space, perfect for outdoor dining or a quiet afternoon. 7. The picket fence rose garden. Nothing says country garden quite like a white picket fence adorned with climbing roses. This design is cheerful and inviting, with a path lined by neatly trimmed boxwood hedges leading to a charming gate. The generous bushes of roses in various shades of pink and red create a stunning, vibrant display, offering a classic and timeless example of a floral-filled welcome. 8. The Giverny-inspired garden. Evoking the spirit of Monet's famous gardens at Giverny, this photo showcases a wide, lush border brimming with a diverse array of irises, poppies, and other perennials. The informal planting style creates a painterly effect, with different colors and shapes blending together seamlessly. The pathway invites a leisurely stroll, allowing you to immerse yourself in the naturalistic and abundant beauty of the floral displays. 9. The raised bed cottage garden. This garden offers a more structured approach to the country style with its long, beautiful raised beds. This design is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, providing easy access for planting and maintenance while creating neat rows of mixed flowers and greenery. The serene backdrop of the stone cottage and rolling hills enhances the pastoral feel, showing how a productive garden can also be incredibly beautiful. 10. The garden of layers and textures. This garden is a masterclass in combining different elements to create a rich and textured landscape. The rustic fence adds a lovely weathered boundary, while the variety of potted plants in the foreground adds a charming multi-level feel. The winding stone path and a dense mix of flowering shrubs and perennials guide the eye through the space, creating a dynamic and endlessly interesting garden with a feeling of delightful, curated wildness. I hope these incredible gardens have sparked your imagination and given you plenty of ideas for your own space. Remember, a country flower garden is about creating a place that feels personal, natural, and full of life. It's a place where you can relax, be inspired, and connect with nature. So whether you're starting from scratch or looking to add a little more charm to your existing space, embrace the beautiful imperfections and the wild spirit of the country flower garden. Start small with a few of your favorite plants, and watch as your garden grows into a beautiful and unique retreat that is all your own. If you enjoyed this video and found these ideas inspiring, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments which garden idea was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to Decor Designs for more tips, tours, and inspiration to help you create the garden of your dreams. Until next time, happy gardening!